What's up, Colby Sharp, 5th grade teacher. First video that I'm recording on summer vacation. Been on summer break for a week. Went to Hilton Head with the fam. Maybe I look tan. Had a blast. Read 4 amazing books, which I'll be sure to talk about here on the channel very soon. But today we're going to be opening up Kidlit book mail. Books that were sent to me by authors, illustrators, mostly publishers, and hopefully we can find some great things to add to our to-read list because we have a beautiful summer of reading ahead of us. All right, so let's start with this. Ooh, the new book in the Nick Blake series. You probably know this from Angie Thomas, New York Times best-selling series. Excited to have book 2. L&O, The House Next Door. This looks terrifying. Home is where the sinister lives. That's what it says on the back. That looks great. September release. The Cuffing Game. I don't know anything about that. That looks like a romance. YA. All right. The Golden Boy's Guide to Bipolar. That is one breathtaking cover. Wowza. Wowza, wowza. Rita's Royal Blood. Rita's Red Ass. All the Way Around the Sun. It's a beautiful cover there too. All right, got some YA. We got some middle grade. This is Meg Medina's new book, which I have not read, which I'm very excited to see what's in here. So this is the finished copy of the book. Meg Medina, Newbery medalist. Graciela in the Abyss. A spirit girl, a mortal boy, and an enchanted harpoon. Wow, sounds breathtaking. It came with like some sea stuff, like shells and sea glass, a sticker. That's exciting. You know, a book is hyped up when they got all the little trinkets to go with it. So definitely will be reading the next book ASAP. Down Syndrome Out Loud. 20 plus true stories of disability and determination. That looks beautiful. Let's look inside and give you a little sneak peek. It's cool. So it features 20 different amazing people. I don't do a good job of reading press releases, so appreciate it making them known. All right. All right, let's go. Let's see what's next. There's a random house. Ooh, that's a cool cover. Cool cover alert. A Glimmer of Change. Isn't that look beautiful? Keedy Darrow has never been afraid of standing out. Her autism means she sees the world differently. But ever since Keedy and her twin sister Nina entered middle school, not standing out seems to be the only thing that matters. That's a beautiful cover. That's a beautiful cover. Okay, Angelica and the Bear Prince. Graphic novel. Very exciting. Look at that bear prince. That's like just a bear prince. Let's go. Ooh, I love Chris's books. Chris is just one of the most fun authors in the history of the world. Started with Mr. Lemoncello's Library. Had all kinds of amazing books besides that. This is called Mr. Penny Pickle's Puzzle Quest. So that gives me Lemoncello vibes. Are we going to enter a new series, new people? Very exciting. What does this say? Well, it doesn't say it's part of the series. I'm guessing it's something new. 3 Blue Hearts. Cover. This is like cover amazing day. Lynn Kelly, she wrote Song for a Whale, which I was absolutely in love with, and also The Secret Language of Birds, another beautiful book. That was a companion book. All right, let's see here. It comes a moving tale about the life-changing bond between a boy and the octopus he rescues. One summer can change everything. Wow! I'm reading this. Maybe next. That's very exciting. The River Drags Her Down. No, folks, we are off to a great start to summer book magic. I wish I was a baller. Wish I was a little bit taller. I wish I was a baller. Wish I had a girl who looked good, I would call her. Little Skilo. Do you remember that song? You should. So, graphic novel, Amir Shah wants to be in the game. He loves basketball and a good story. So when there's an NBA practice in his school gym, he knows he has to sneak in somehow. This looks really fun. Jerry Kraft blurb on the cover. This is that cover. Like, who's not going to want to read that? This is the first book where I'm like, man, I know exactly the 5th grader I would give this to, but they're home for summer. I actually was running today, and I saw 2 of them. They're on like little electric scooters, electric bike things. It's fun. It's like, what's up? They're excited to see me. The Tree That Was a World. Well, that sounds intriguing. Illustrated novel. Okay. It's really hard to prioritize reading in the summer because you actually have time to read. You're not all stressed about it. You can just kind of read whatever. Also, you're not exhausted, which is amazing. So, yeah. Your truck. You probably remember these 3 beautiful books from John Clausen. Now he's back with your truck. Oh, love everything John Clausen. Talia's Code Book for Middle School. That looks so fun. Should give this to my 5th graders. They need it. Interrupting Chicken. Saves the Nutcracker. OMG. Watch out. Gather, grateful, beautiful. Gather, great and small. Gather food, gather fall. That's what it says on the back. Molly, Olive, and Dexter. Who's afraid of the dark? Not afraid of the dark, but driving home from Hilton Head, you had to go through these like tunnels, like through a mountain. No, I'm not into that. I don't like that at all. Hogbert. Once upon a time, in a faraway forest, there lived a mother bear and her 6 piglets. The littlest of them was Hogbert. Wiggling words. This looks cool. The words are wiggling, jiggling, jumping. Why can't they just line up in order and make sense? Sounds like an important book. Sounds like a read aloud next year. Exciting, exciting, exciting. Okay, this is one. I'm going to open it from the bottom. I need to get like a special package opener for these videos. That would be cool. I could probably spend a whole day watching YouTube videos on what I should get to open my packages. All-Nighter. More YA. Basher Bowtress. Lou and Ren's Guide to Geozoology. Well, that looks cool. Graphic novel. The Fantastical Tales of Mari A. Fish. Mermaid Mission. Lots of books, friends. Lots of books. All right, we have a onesie. One book package here. A method for magic and misfortune. A boy discovers magic along with hidden darkness in his town in this propulsive and heartfelt middle grade novel. It's not. Probably read it. Let's do one more. There's a lot in here. It's heavy. Let's go with this one. That's hard to open. So I need to make 2 of these videos. All right, last package. Thanks for sticking around. Hopefully you found something. I'm very excited to read all of these books. Oh boy. On the Go. Oh, fun board book. Aw. Oh, it's like a little feeling there. A little biography here. Nellie, a different bird. Look at Nellie rocking the boat. Let's go. The Laughing Book. That sounds very fun. The back. A Natural History of Bums. Oh, it's a book about butts. Oh, look at that. So fun. Magic Under the Bed. The Lost Book of Undersea Adventure. From the Journals of an Unknown Adventurer. Icebreakers, a kid's guide to hockey and the greatest players who changed the game. Well, that's exciting. Totally Awesome World of Cristiano Ronaldo. Ooh, this is fun. We have the Caitlin Clark version of this biography series. Watch out, maybe the next great biography series for kids. How tall that book is. Touch and Feel Opposites, Dinosaurs. What do we got here? Oh, look how cute it is. Friends, hope you found something great to add to your to-read list. I have some reading to do, some cleaning to do. Just got back from vacation. Thanks for letting me take a few minutes of your day to talk about books. Hopefully we found the next great ones for kids. My name is Colby Sharp. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hope you have an awesome, fantastic